Hey guys, what's up? I'm Sabrina. Today we will have an amazing video because we are gonna bake a cake with you and everything will be in English. Keep watching. Okay guys, so what do we have here? We have here a mixing bowl, and then we have here a whisk, and then we have a teaspoon. So we can have a tablespoon. Just a moment, I will show you now. So this one, for example, is called a tablespoon, but this one is called teaspoon. So keep it in your mind. Then what else we have here? We have a glass. Then we have container. So these containers are so useful. I love them a lot. I'm in love with them really because they're so handy. And by the way, this is flour, and this one is sugar. Then here we have vanilla. Then we have here, what else? Eggs. So we have here eggs. Then here we have baking powder, then we have yogurt, and then we have oil. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you what my counter is like. So by the way, this is called the counter. This is called the counter. This is not a table, so keep it in your mind. I hope you can easily see that. So here, as I mentioned before, we have 2 eggs. So we have to crack them. So this action is called cracking the eggs. So we are cracking here. Oops, sorry for the noise. 2 eggs here. Let me show them. Yeah, I'm back. And then we have to add here 2 glasses of sugar. So we says glasses. Oh my god, I even don't know how to open that. Okay, so and we have to add 1 glass of sugar. 1 glass. I'm pouring sugar, by the way, so this action is called pouring the sugar. I'm pouring the sugar, and now I have 1 glass of sugar. I'm adding it. Now I'm taking my whisk. Bottle of oil, and here's the cap. I have to open the cap of the bottle, and then I will pour it, hopefully. Yeah. Then I need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now I need 1 glass of yogurt. I will use 1 glass of yogurt. So by the way guys, in English we have a word to scoop something, you know that? So for example, now I'm scooping, some yogurt. Okay, now I'm adding my yogurt. 1 glass of, a glass of yogurt, Now I'm whisk it again. that's what I need. Now I need 2 glasses of flour. Here we have 2 flour. 1 and 2. I'm again mixing it well. Look at my hands. Okay guys, so my dough is ready. So it's called dough. By the way, I hope you know the word Play-Doh. So where does it come from? There are same words, dough. Okay, so now I'm opening my oven. Here we have some things. They are called baking trays. Baking trays. These are all the stuff are called baking tray. And this one, this is called oven rack. Oven rack. You can have more than one. If you have a huge big oven, you can have mini racks. I have only one, so this is called rack. This is baking tray. Okay. Okay guys, now I'm putting it here. Hello. Okay, now we just need 2 tablespoons of cocoa. Okay, then we need 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm adding my sugar. Then I have to mix it well. Then I will need 2 more tablespoons of sugar after mixing them well. Then I will need 4 tablespoons of milk. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm mixing, then I will boil it. So I'm stirring it. I'm stirring. I'll wait it to boil, then I'll turn it off.